Hi all, got a package in the mail today. So comic books. I'll start off. I bought into Walmart just to get some cat food, dog food, litter, milk, waffles, and I just checked the choice, and I got another 6-car set. So I'm just gonna make a video of it. But this is Matchbox, and it's a Chevy Corvette, Cadillac Eldorado convertible, Chevy Camaro convertible, Camaro SS convertible. And these are all, this is a convertible set. So Ford Mustang convertible and Buick Skylark. So I'm probably going to end up doing Matchbox convertible set video and show that off. But let me get to this box. This box is actually, there's 3 sellers on Facebook that actually have a name. And if you're ever in, I guess they have a store in Northville, New York called Jack in the Box Comics. So just gonna pull this stuff out. Let's see. Oh, there's a couple books in here. Okay. Okay. Buffy the Vampire Slayer. I guess this is number 4. Criminal number 9. JLA Classified number 50. Strange Adventures number 4. Green Lantern Annual number 2. Green Lanterns, I don't even remember what. Green Lantern number 24 to New 52. Green Lantern Annual number 3. Green Lantern number 43. Green Lantern number 23.4, regular 2D cover with Sinestro. JLA 99. The back looks like some kind of, something like was put on it. It's got ribbed. But JLA, the 99 piece, number 6. I wonder if there's a way I can get that out. JLA 99 number 5. JLA number 110. I don't need many issues for that series. JLA 111. The Authority number 6. Black Science number 27. Okay, let me get this, because this is... What's up, pumpkin? The Authority number 25. The Authority number 5. The Authority number 11. Number 12. The Authority More Kev number 2. There's 2 issues here. One. Animal Man number 62. All New Exiles number 1. The Authority number 3. JLA and the 99 number 2. Justice League, Gods and Monsters, Wonder Woman number 1. Justice League, Cry for Justice number 1. Justice League of America, Retroactive number 1. Is that Justice League Antarctica? The Authority More Kev. This one won't go in my thing. This will get over there. That won't even get put in. The Authority number 8. If I knew the back cover, I would never even bid on that. Why is this not sitting straight? And then this one. Criminal number 5. Deathmate. I don't know what number it is, but I got another gold thing. It's like the rainbow colors they made on these is like. Then let's see. Okay. Criminal number 7. Black Science number 28. And let's undo this. The Authority number 14. Black Science number 29. JLA Incarnations Special Crisis Crossover number 5. Green Lantern Rebirth number 2, black and white cover. Now let's see these. Green Lantern Corps Annual number 2. Time Shifter Timespirits number 2. I think I finished the series off with what I picked up through them. Number 4. Green Lantern Corps number 34. Green Lantern Corps Edge of Oblivion number 6. Green Lantern Edge of Oblivion number 2. Uber issue 2. Vermilion number 4. Species number 1. And Hamster Vice number 3. Now I got one more to go. Let's see. I got hard case number 3. The Three Stooges Astronauts number 1. Dun, 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 dun. Alien Legion number 20. I'm not sure what volume, so I put them in the Alien Legion number 15. Lucifer number 65. Kato number 2. This one I was surprised I actually got it, but New Kids on the Block number 1. The Human Target from Vertigo number 1. Thunder Agents number 1. Oh boy. Number 4. The Three Stooges number 1. Hold on, Gigi. War Stories, Send a Gunboat 1 of 3. This is actually number 16. I'll come upstairs. He'll give him back to you. You don't deserve him for how he's been acting. The Green Lantern Corps number 35. And Green Lantern Corps number 39, Harlequin variant cover. And Pop's duty is never done. That kid's driving me nuts. He's been so bad the last couple weeks. I actually say the last year since his mother moved in. And then I threw her out because she wasn't doing nothing. So, but I gotta go. And as always, I thank you all for viewing and subscribing.